drag them in battles that I can handle, unless I absolutely have to. I'm supposed to set an example. I need to be the leader. My crew looks for me to guide them. Some shit up and just pop off. I'm supposed to be beside him. That job said I tried to squash it. It was too late to stop it. There's a certain line you just don't cross, and he crossed it. I heard him say Haley's name on the song and I just lost it. It's crazy, this shit can gravy on some Jay-Z and Nas shit. And even though the battle was won, I feel like we lost it. I spent so much energy on it. Honestly, I'm exhausted and I'm so caught in it. I almost feel I'm the one who caused it. This ain't what I'm in hip-hop for. It's not why I gotten it. That was never my object, for someone to get killed. Why would I wanna destroy something I helped build? It wasn't my intentions. My intentions were good. I went through my whole career without ever mentioning it. Never, just out of respect for not running my mouth and talking about something that I knew nothing about. Frustrate told me stay out. This wasn't my beef, so I did. I just fell back, watched it grit in my teeth while he's all over TV. Now I'm talking to a man who literally saved my life. Like fuck it, I understand. This is business, and this shit just isn't none of my business. But still knowing this shit can pop off at any minute. To be a time when you could just say a rhyme and wouldn't have
Rude boy, don't watch that. Cause if it's something tight, so I rock that. And if it's something, you know I got that. Come through with a big baseball bat. Like block, don't make me get old school. 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 Stop rolling with that brother, you don't need him. He's a pussy, yo, he's a chief, leave him. Stop rolling with that brother, you don't need him. He ain't got your back if it's beef, leave him. Why you rolling with that pussy, yo? Moving with that pussy, yo. You know that he's a pussy, yo. Show you he's a pussy, yo.